Hello everyone. Welcome again to Sri Jaindra Rank Zone classes. The topic we left over the last time, that was the phylum Coelentrates, and we are going to begin with the classification of phylum Coelentrata. Coelentrata, they are also known as cnidarians. And why? Because they have cnidoblast, or it is also known as the stinging cell, right? So now we are basically going to discuss about the classification. So the very first is class 1, hydrozoa. Hydro means water, zoa means animal. Either polyps are found, mean they exist in either polyp form or in the form of medusa, either in the form of asexual or in the form of sexual. Both are present. Hydra, Obelia, the common name of Obelia is sea fur. Physalia, Physalia is known as Portuguese man of war. And Millipora, Millipora is known as what? Hydroid canal. So in this phylum you actually have to register the common names which are given, okay? Obelia, sea fur, Physalia, the Portuguese man of war, and Millipora, the hydroid canal. Then class 2 is Scyphozoa. Scypha means cup. The head is cup shaped. They only have medusa because of this form, okay? So they only have medusa. So this inverted cup form, it makes Scyphozoa, okay? Example, Aurelia. Then we have class 3, that is Anthozoa. So first class was Hydrozoa, second was Scyphozoa, and third is Anthozoa. Anthozoa means flower-like, okay? Only polyp form, they always exist in polyp form, okay? Like Alcyoneum, dead man's finger, like this. This is the substratum. Dead man's finger, like this. Okay, like this it is basically attached to the substratum. Okay, Alcyoneum, dead man's finger. Then Fungia, that is mushroom coral. Adamensia, Gorgonia, Gorgonia is known as sea fan, okay, sea fan. Adamensia is known as what? Sea fur. Meduropora, stage horned coral. Tubipora, organ pipe. This you have to remember, okay? Class 1 and Hydrozoa, class 2 Scyphozoa, and class 3 is Anthozoa. So you have to just remember Portuguese man of war, Physalia. Okay, stage horned coral, Meduropora. Tubipora, organ pipe. Gorgonia, sea fan. Okay. Then Fungia, mushroom coral. Alcyoneum, dead man's finger. Okay. So these are the different classifications: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, and Anthozoa. Okay. Now coming to next, some common cnidarians. Hydra, freshwater. It is a carnivore. Show great power of regeneration. It is having great power of regeneration. Can be both bisexual and unisexual. Okay. So Hydra is live in fresh water. It is a carnivore. It shows great power of regeneration. Okay, and it can be bisexual as well as unisexual. Viridicemia. Viridicemia. It is basically a green hydra. Green hydra means Zoochlorella. It is a algae, unicellular algae, which lives in a nutritive muscular cell of hydra. So when nutritive muscular cells, they are having Zoochlorella as their friend, as their inhabitant. So the symbiotic relationship is known as what? Viridicemia. So how algae is helping? The viridicemia means when we talk about the hydra is basically utilizing the oxygen gas which is formed during the photosynthesis, and the Zoochlorella or the unicellular algae, it is basically extracting the CO2 and other excretory waste, okay, to make food. Hydra Oligaticus, brown algae, brown hydra. Hydra biligaris, colorless. Hydra gangetica, pink white. Obelia is known as sea fur. It is polymorphic. It is having three forms: polyp, blastostyles, and medusa. Polyp is nutritive in function. Blastostyle, it produces a sexual reproducing organ, medusae, and medusae it produces gonads, ova and sperm. Okay, for fertilization. So Hydra, it is fresh water. It lives in fresh water, carnivore. Okay, it shows greed, power, regeneration. It is both bisexual and asexual. Viridicemia, it is a symbiotic relationship of Zoochlorella. Okay, on the surface of nutritive muscular cells. Okay, then Hydra oligatica is brown hydra. Hydra biligaris, colorless, and Hydra gangetica, pink white. Obelia sea fur, it is polymorphic, means blastostyles, then medusae, then polyp. Okay. Polyp and medusa, the difference are given. Polyp is sessile, means it is attached to some attachment or rock surface. Medusa is free swimming. Polyp is cylindrical. Medusa is umbrella shaped. Polyp is attached below so that manubrium is directly upward, means mouth. Medusa, base is above and so that manubrium is downward. Medusa, the mouth is downwards, and polyp, the medusa, is upwards. Then velum, sense organs, and gonad is absent in polyform because it is not a sexually reproducing organ. Medusa, all these forms are present. Okay. Now coming to next, Physalia, it is known as what? Portuguese man of war. Presence, it is having presence of gas gland just below the pneumatophores. So these gas glands, they are going to secrete different gases. The gases will provide the bionine force and it will float on the surface of water. Physalia, it is known as Portuguese man of war because of the glands which are present below the pneumatophores. It produces gas which will help to secrete them or float them. Polymorphic and shows division of labor. Physalia, it is polymorphic and shows division of labor. Now dactylozoids, all means ज़्यादातर maximally polymorphic forms, they show this type of category. Dactylozoids means they serve in catching food and for defense. Okay, means they secrete neurotoxin. Okay, so dactylozooids actually, they can be the polymorphic form of Physalia. Okay, they help in catching food and they help to produce neurotoxin. Gastrozooids, they are mainly made up of only one function, nutrition, and gonozoids, reproduction. Okay, gono means reproduction, gastro means nutrition, and dactylozoids means they can serve as both of the function, nutrition and to prevent the body from the neurotoxin. Velella, it is sailed by the wind. Pneumatophore is flat. The pneumatophore is flat and it contains air and bears a vertical sail above the surface of water. Then Aurelia, jellyfish, unisexual, represents medusa form. Adamsia, sea anemone, shows commensalism is found attached on the empty shell of gastropod. Okay, so Adamsia is basically attached to the empty shells of gastric pod. Okay, and occupied by hermit crab. Okay, then Astrea, star coral or brain coral. Planetola, sea pen or sea feather. Sea wasp is the most common in area. Okay, so these are some common terms which you have to actually learn. Gastrozooids, nutrition, then gonozoids means reproduction, and dactylozoids means both digestion and reproduction. Is that clear, everyone? Okay, the different names you can just note it down. Then types of nematocysts. Nematocysts are of different types. Okay, like penetrans, volvens, desmonines, Atrichus icorizae. So the first is Holotrichus icorizae, in which the strepto line of luteins. They have strepto